welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a Mongolia electronic visa, or you can say e-visa, on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body, so in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Mongolia electronic visa website. Process remain the same, like you need to apply if you are required to. So on the same page, if you scroll down, you see they have given the visa free countries. So before you apply, make sure like you check this list. Okay, now if your country is not listed here and you are gonna do travel there, so we can tap on apply now. So select your nationality. Wow, Republic of India. Type of passport, ordinary. Applying for, I select tourism. Put your email address and tap on next. Then it will send a verification link to your email account that you need to click. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so I clicked on link and this is the page it opened. So it's asking you to upload passport. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so now now after this step you need to confirm the details and any changes if required. This is just sample guys, don't go off of this. Okay, identification means like a national identification number. If you have, you can put. If you don't have, you can skip it. Passport number, date of birth, all these are sample. Okay, but 1959 is too old, let me make it newer. So I put sample details: first name, last name, gender, passport number, date of birth, nationality, country of birth, passport issuing country, place of birth. Now these things should match. Marital status, passport issue date, expiry date, occupation, home address, contact number, emergency person, emergency contact number, address in Mongolia. So if you have booked the hotel already, you definitely have this information, right? Okay, and then at the end you have to upload your photo, and also you have to choose your supporting documents, ticket and other documents. Okay, so we'll go through this, but before that let's add answer other mandatory questions. Have you ever been convicted of a crime? No. Denied a Mongolian visa? Have you ever applied for Mongolian visa with a different name? Select no. Confirmation of address. Payment receipt for the hotel resort for individual providing accommodation. Okay, so I select this one. So this is hotel information. So hotel information don't upload here. Here you just need to ticket. Okay, and if you want to, hotel address you can hotel reservation you need to put here. So I'm gonna do this these three things, and then I'm gonna see you in the next step. So I was successful with that. Now purpose of visit, entry, duration of stay, number of entries requested, expected day of arrival, expected day of departure. Now it should match. So expected date of arrival, duration, and then we need to put next. So I'm gonna do that. Let's say we're going on 30 and returning in June in 18. Next. Now you need to confirm the date. Of course I'm not gonna do that, and then it will take for the payment, and if granted you are all good to go. That is how it works guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.